G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia. Welcome to Loch, the home of online gaming, wonderful views and Australian wildlife. I do hope you like these videos, if so please subscribe. G'day, the time is 15 to 5 in the afternoon and welcome back to another mystical, magical sunset at Loch. Now that cloud is just, that sun is just above those clouds, I should say. Let's say cloud. There's not much clouds actually today. The only clouds are the ones going to be blocking that sun. So we'll zoom in, we'll have a look at it, and we'll see what it does. It's about halfway zoomed in there. Absolutely beautiful day today. It's been cold and warm. It's going to be another 2-degree day tonight, I think. Yeah, it's just hit those cloud bank, as you can see. Now, if those clouds weren't there, I think it would have a much better sunset because I'll be able to hit the mountains and get that really nice effect. But oh well, can't complain. To the left you've got that pinky, bluey colour of the clouds reflecting on the water, and to the right you've just got the pretty much nothing, no clouds except on the horizon. It's really calm and still, and no one else is out here. Occasional dogs barking, that's about it. And there's little fish jumping too. I'll zoom around. I want to show you those clouds to the left, if we can, and get a bit of shot of them. So we'll just let that zoom out, let the sun do its thing. It's almost disappeared behind the cloud bank. There it goes. It's still above the horizon, it's just that cloud bank's just slightly blocking the view. So I'll quickly pan around to the left here. Try to keep that sunset in view. You can see those clouds there. They've got that nice reflection off the water, which is quite nice. I'm going to leave it on here, I think. Maybe a mixture of both. Zoom in again. See, the sun is still there. It's going to be a nice reflection of that. The mountains aren't that high at the background. Yeah, it's 10 to 5. So that looks really beautiful like that. But the mountains as before aren't that high there, so I'm not overly disappointed with the clouds being in the way. if you look to the right here, we'll just go a little bit to the right. You should be able to see, if you can, I can distinguish it with the naked eye, the mountains here, a bit further across. So you can see where the cloud cover is there, there's a little gap there, and then you got the mountains there. So there's not much of a difference between that sunset going behind those clouds and hitting the top of the mountain. Does look beautiful though. I'm going to zoom around and we'll just catch the big picture. We'll let it run till about 5 o'clock or 10 past 5 and see what it does to the sky. Well, it's 5 o'clock and I don't think we'll get much more out of this sunset tonight. Have a quick zoom into here. Might get a little bit more colour, but other than that, not much else we'll get. Looks absolutely beautiful. And there is some people on the beach, but they're a lot further away. They're down near the boat ramp. As you can see, it is really beautiful. You've got birds still dive bombing the water, getting the fish. We've got like a purpley pink colour behind us as well, but it's really much the same colour as this one. Can't zoom and see these birds dive bombing anything. There we are. There he goes. Oh. Just gonna be lucky, I think, with those birds. You've got to spot one, see it dive down, and hopefully catch it. I think it's just pot luck on that one. You can see it's getting a little bit more colour, but not much. We'll head off. My name's Wilfred West from Loch Sport, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.